Good morning, students. Welcome to the English class. Today I will explain you chapter 3, The Lost Love. Students, this chapter is about Haina. Haina is very sad. Haina has lost his love and he is trying to find his love with the help of other animals. So students, let's start our chapter and see is Haina able to find his lost love or not. Haina was very sad. He had lost his love. So Haina went to Giraffe. Please help me find my love, Giraffe, he said. Giraffe lifted her long neck and looked around the tree tops. I can't hear a laugh up here, Haina, she said. Then Haina saw Hippo swimming in the lake. Please help me find my love, Hippo, he said. Hippo looked in the water. I can't hear a laugh down here, she said. Haina went to Elephant next. Please help me find my love, Elephant, he said. Students, do you know what is this word hyena? Okay, hyena is a wild animal that looks like a dog. You can see the picture of hyena here. It's given. Okay, so hyena is a wild animal that looks like a dog. Now, hyena was very sad. Students, hyena was very sad. Why hyena was sad? Because hyena had lost his laugh. When hyena lost his laugh, he went around the jungle looking for his lost laugh. Hyena first went to Giraffe. Hyena first went to Giraffe. And Hyena asked Giraffe to help him to find his lost laugh. Students, as you all know that giraffe has a long neck. So Giraffe used her long neck to look around the tops of the trees. But Giraffe couldn't find a laugh there. But Giraffe couldn't find a laugh there on the tops of the trees. Now Hyena saw Hippo nearby. Hyena saw Hippo. Hippo was swimming in the lake. Hippo was swimming in the lake. Hyena went to Hippo and asked him to help him to find his lost laugh. Hippo looked in the water for Hyena's lost laugh, but he couldn't find a laugh in the water. Students, now Hippo was also not able to find Hyena's lost laugh. Now Hyena went to Elephant. Now Hyena went to Elephant next. Hyena again requested Elephant to help him to find his lost laugh. Elephant flapped his big ears and listened carefully. I can't hear your laugh anywhere in the jungle, Hyena. Finally, Hyena went to Monkey. Please help me find my laugh, Monkey, he said. How did you lose it, Hyena? Asked Monkey, swinging from a branch. When I laughed, everyone saw my big teeth. They got scared, said Hyena. So they ran away. This made me sad, so my laugh disappeared. When Hyena asked Elephant to help him, Elephant flapped his big ears. Flapped means moving up and down. Elephant moved up and down his big ears and listened carefully. But Elephant could not hear a laugh anywhere in the jungle. Now, finally, Hyena went to Monkey. Hyena went to Monkey. After asking from Giraffe, Hippo and Elephant, now Hyena went to Monkey. Monkey asked Hyena how he lost laugh. Hyena told Monkey that when he laughed, his big teeth showed. He thought that his big teeth scared other animals. Scared means afraid. Hyena thought that his big teeth scared other animals. So he became sad and lost his laugh. "Ah, then you are looking for it in the wrong places," said Monkey. He jumped down from the tree and picked up a feather. Then he began to tickle Hyena all over. Slowly, Hyena started to smile, and then he let out a big loud laugh. He laughed and laughed until he was rolling around on the ground. Now, Monkey told Hyena that he had been looking for his lost laugh in the wrong places. Monkey knew that the laugh is inside the Hyena only. It just has to come out again. So Monkey jumped down from the tree and took a feather and started touching Hyena lightly in a way that it made him laugh. Soon Hyena forgot about his big teeth and laughed loudly. All the other animals heard Hyena's laugh. They came running. "Where did you find his laugh?" they asked Monkey. "His laugh was inside him all the time. I just made him happy and it came out." The other animals were happy to hear this. So they laughed and laughed so that their teeth showed too. "I will never lose my laugh again," said Hyena happily. So students, in the end, all the animals in the jungle heard his laugh and came running to see Hyena. They became happy to see Hyena happy again. So they all laughed together. This way, Hyena found his laugh and he said that he will never lose his laugh again. Students, I hope you all have enjoyed the story. Thank you.